Yo, what's up? Currency Trading Academy. It's your boy, the Gold Collector. I want to say happy Saturday. It's July 12th, and I just woke up from a bomb ass nap. Uh, yeah, it felt fucking really refreshing. But yeah, guys, if this is your first time tuning in, what I'd like to do is review my trades from last week and see how I can improve and look at the outlook for next week. So let's get right to it. So I'm on gold micros. We'll go back to July 6th. So it looks like I opened up with two losses back to back because I was expecting price to continue to go up, but it started to go bearish. Took a loss for 69 pips, and then took a loss for 25 pips. And then I think I took a 60 pip win over here. Over here, I probably broke even or lost for 60 pips. Over here, I'm not entirely sure if I won or lost this one. I'm not sure. But over here, I definitely lost this one. This was a 70 pip loss. Oops. This one was a 10 pip loss. Over here, I just kept on losing over here, apparently. 46 pip loss, 27 pip loss, 8 pip loss. Looks like a 70 pip loss, 70 pip win, 64 pip win. And I know that I didn't trade until um, middle of the week. So I took a 90 pip win over here, 50 pip loss. This looks like a 106 pip win, 33 pip win, 104 pip win, 86 pip win, and this one didn't trigger because I know I didn't because it didn't rally up here quick enough. But yeah, price is just doing steady higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So all you need to do just wait for a break and retest of resistance, turn into support, like right here. Resistance, broke above, retested this level as sort of support, and you just buy. So sorry guys, I'm a little sick right now. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my charts and chart for you. As always, I like to start in the daily time frame. I like to mark up the all-time high first. Daily resistance. Daily resistance. Daily support. Daily support. So these are good enough levels right now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 daily key levels. That's about the right amount of key levels I like to have. 3 above, 3 below. Current price. Now I'm gonna drop down to the 4-hour time frame to find my 4-hour zones. I like to mark up my zones to the next Sunday. Now I'm dropped down to 30-minute time frame to find some lower time frame zones. See, 15-minute might be clearer. Here's a nice supply and demand area right here. And also right here also. I'll also mark this one up also. All right, guys, these are my key levels for gold for this upcoming week. These are areas where I think prices can have the strongest reaction of. Price might reject off of here, reject off of here, reject off of here, a reaction off of here. So this is what I'm looking for. Let's look at Nasdaq real quick because I am back to trading Nasdaq. Nasdaq had some pretty good wins. 171 pip win, had a 82 pip loss, a probably a 50 pip win over here. This one's probably a 160 tick win. And over here, a 285 pip win, which is really fire because this was on Friday also. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and remove my charts. And go ahead and chart for y'all. So the Nasdaq definitely broke above the previous all-time high. So we could see a retracement or more bullish movement. New all-time high. We'll call this previous all-time high. Daily support. And actually, I'll be right back, guys. I gotta take a shit. Sorry, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I'm back. So we probably only look like just like a second to you guys. It was probably like a 20-minute break for me because I ended up taking a deuce and then I'm showering and just getting ready for the night. So yeah, here we go. So that's why my hair is all done and my haircut's all finished. So I'm back on NAS, looking at the daily time frames. These are a good amount of daily key levels. Actually, I'm gonna drop one more support level over here, just so I know where price can travel to. Because prices just printed a new all-time high, so there's going to be a bit of retracement. So we want to know where price can go to. In the 4-hour time zone, let's drop down to the 30. Like, should we go back up to the 4 hour? Because I see a nice 4 hour zone over here. There's a nice big pocket of liquidity over here where I can see price take it out and then rally again. Do you see another nice pocket of liquidity over here? Sorry guys, I'm a little bit sick, but nice 4 hour zone. This is a very big zone. I don't really recommend it, but we got to trade what we see, right? Over here, I see a nice lower low, lower high being formed, so I'm going to go ahead and mark up these levels in the lower time frame zone. So we'll probably see this liquidity get taken out on Monday or so. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can take a quick look at my key levels from here. These are my key levels that I'm going to be trading off of Nasdaq, and then I'll go back to gold. These are my key levels for gold. And let's look at the Forex Factory. So for Forex Factory, I don't know if it's actually going to switch over because, well, whatever. You guys can hear my voice. So Forex Factory says that CPI is next Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, so in about 3 days. So core CPI, their forecast is 0.3%. I think that's going to be kind of high, so it's going to be red for US dollar. So that means bullish for gold, and I think bullish also for Nasdaq. I'm not really sure. I need to back test it a little bit. But yeah, core CPI is on Tuesday, core PPI is on Wednesday, and then retail sales is on Thursday. So there's a lot of red folders this coming next week. So there's gonna be a lot of good movement. Um, I am gonna be trading CPI. I'm gonna have 2 accounts on Tradeovate that I have to try to save. So, but yeah, guys. With that said, happy trading. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit my DMs. All right, peace.